If you are currently residing in the USA, in this video I'll be showing you how to navigate through this website, and I'll be giving you links to some of these websites, and I'll be dropping the 9 best websites that you need, alright, in the USA to buy Bitcoin. So ensure that you join the Telegram channel, because I'll be dropping a lot of useful guide concerning how to trade in each of those websites. Alright, so if you are new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more videos, you'll always be notified on time. So without further ado, let's talk the 9 best websites in the USA to buy Bitcoin. The first one that I'll be recommending is River. This is one of the first website that I'll be recommending, and I'll be dropping the link right at the video description. So if you tap on this visit section, you can copy the link and access the link. So River is a Bitcoin only exchange based in the USA. So what you basically buy here is just Bitcoin alone. That is what you buy from this River exchange. Okay, and it also offers an easy way to buy plus advanced feature. All right, far more experienced buyers use this River to purchase Bitcoin. Like I said, it is heavily based on just Bitcoin alone. It's only Bitcoin mostly dominating exchange. So you buy more of Bitcoin in this River right here. I'll be dropping the link, like I said, in the video description. Okay, so the good part about this River is that one of the eye-catchy parts is that it has a very clean interface, and its unique occurring to buy features makes it attractive for buyers to use in purchasing Bitcoin. All right, so the downside, this is one of the, remember I said that this is the good side, but the downside of this River is the fact that it's only Bitcoin that you can buy from this, and there are no support for other coins, only Bitcoin. The work of this River is just to purchase Bitcoin alone. Okay, so if you're having intentions to buy other coin, you cannot buy it right here on this River. All right, so that's it for that. The second one you have to know is eToro. So this eToro is another website that I've used in the past, and it allows you to buy Bitcoin and other cryptos in the United States, and it offers a free wallet app, and it's easy and quick to use for purchases. Okay, so this eToro that I see here is currently licensed by the SALSC and the NMLS, and it is not FDI or SPIC insured. So investing in this eToro here, like I said, involves risk, and cryptocurrency in general. By investing in cryptocurrency, then you are prepared for risks. That is why you are always permitted to lose what you can afford to invest what you can afford to risk. Okay, so that's eToro. The good side about this eToro is the fact that it is a trusted exchange, and with over 25 million users worldwide, and it is easy to use and buy cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in general. Okay, and its interface is very, very clean. All right, so the downside about this eToro is the fact that you cannot deposit cryptocurrency, but you can deposit with other payment method. All right, so you cannot transfer cryptocurrency into this website or the exchange directly, but you can transfer with other payment method, and there are a whole lot of payment method integrated into the app that you can use to transfer or buy your crypto from eToro. Okay, so the next one is Uphold, and this is the third one. Uphold is a crypto exchange which was established in 2015, and it's residing in the United States. Okay, so if you're in the United States, this is one or another website you can use to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. You can also use wire transfer or even credit card or even debit card and ACH transfers to buy from them. Right, so the good side about this is the ability to buy gold and silver right here in the exchange, and it's an established cryptocurrency exchange. Okay, that's the good side. Then the bad side about the downside about the exchange is that it requires ID verification, and so it is not a private company. Okay, so the next one is Kraken. This is one of the exchanges that I've used to buy cryptocurrency, and it was established in mid 2011. And Kraken is one of the USA's largest exchanges, and deposits can be made via debit card, bank wire, and ACH. And users can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and other dozens of cryptocurrency right here in the app. So by clicking on this website now, you can access the portal. All right, you can access the exchange dashboard. Okay, if you are currently in Nigeria and you can't have access to any of these websites or some of the websites like Binance website, you have to ensure that you are using a VPN. Okay, so that's it for that. For Kraken, you can access the website because it supports Nigeria can access the app also. So likewise, the website is also accessible. Okay, so the pros or the good side about it is that it has a very low fee, the transaction fee. Okay, and the transaction fee often range to from 0 to 25%, even down to 0.1%. It has a very low transaction fee. Okay, and it also has a very low maker fee, falling to 0% sufficient for trading. And its security is top notch. It has a top notch security. Okay, and the downside about the app or the website is that it requires verification. Okay, so it is not private. It requires you to verify with your government issued ID card or any passport that you have. So it is not private. This private means that you have to supply your identity verification. You have to supply your identity. So whenever I see not private, it means that you have to supply your identity or any government issued ID card you have, which is going to expose where you are staying. That's just the only thing about not being private. All right. So whenever I see so not private, that is what it actually means. Okay, so we are talking about, so the next one is on our list is Coinbase, and Coinbase is one of the world's largest Bitcoin broker, and they represent an easy and fast way for new users to purchase Bitcoin. Okay, so Coinbase support customers in over 30 countries, including the United States, Europe, UK, Singapore, and Canada. And their customer support here in Coinbase is top notch, because I have used top notch and I'm currently using top notch for Bitcoin trading, and I can tell you that they are top notch also. All right, so countries can purchase Bitcoin by either the bank card, the bank transfer, or SEPA transfer, and there are much more ways to purchase Bitcoin. All right, there are much more ways to support Bitcoin. So the good part about the Coinbase is that it is trusted with over 150 million users worldwide, and it is based in the USA. That makes it more trustworthy. Okay, that makes it more trustworthy. And the app is available also in Apple Store and Play Store. Okay, all right. So the downside about it is that it's easy to use, but fees can be a bit high, and the Coinbase may track how and where you spend your Bitcoin. Okay, the Coinbase, the app or website can either track how you spend your Bitcoin. Okay, so I think the best thing to do in this process is, after buying Bitcoin, you transfer those coins to a Web3 wallet or an external wallet, because leaving it right there in the Coinbase centralized exchange is trackable. That is what it is actually telling you right here. Okay, so the next one on our list is PayPal. This PayPal seems to be in operation. They seems to be in operation for some years now, and recently they created a coin which is the Pi USD. You can now use Pi USD to purchase any form of asset, all right, on online stores and other crypto cryptocurrency exchange that support Pi USD. Okay, so Pi USD is the official coin of PayPal. All right, so PayPal allows users to buy and sell Bitcoin starting from in 2020. That was when they started allowing people to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and starting in June 2022, PayPal now allow users to withdraw the coins from their account, and PayPal can be a fast way to purchase coins if you are already verified user of PayPal. All right, that's the good part about this. PayPal has been a trustworthy platform. So by integrating the Pi USD and also using buying Bitcoin directly from PayPal, gave it another head up for investors that are using PayPal to buy and sell or withdraw their funds. Okay, so the main issue is we have seen is that some people experience delays when trying to send Bitcoin out from their PayPal account. I think the team is currently working on that. Okay, so the good side about it is that many people already have accounts on PayPal, and it can be a fast way to buy if you are already a verified PayPal user. And the downside is that some users report delays while withdrawing their Bitcoin on PayPal. That's just the only downside about it. All right, so the next part is the Coinbase Advanced Exchange. So this Coinbase exchange, like I told you before, we have the Coinbase website and we also have the Coinbase Advanced Exchange. So this Coinbase Advanced Exchange, formerly called the Coinbase Pro, is one of the largest Bitcoin exchange in the United States. So users can fund their account via bank transfer, SEPA, or bank wire. So now this Coinbase, like I said, has a website that you can use to buy or sell your coins. But if you don't want to use that website, you can use the exchange, which is called the Coinbase Pro. All right, to still do the same reason, or to still carry out the same act. Okay, so you can visit the website from here. I'll be dropping the link still right at the video description for those of you that want to use it. All right, so the good side about it is that some of the lowest fees are available for US and EU users. All right, if you are in the European countries or in the US, we have some of the lowest fees there. If you are using Coinbase, you can be experiencing some of the lowest fees when it comes to crypto transactions. Okay, and possible to buy Bitcoin for 0 fees, and it is possible to buy Bitcoin in at 0 fees most of the times. All right, so some of the fees are often waived, especially during Christmas times. If you are using the Coinbase, there are always a deduction of rates. They are at some of the times. All right. So the next one is Liberty X, and Liberty X is an American service that makes buying Bitcoin with cash very simple. So first, users use Liberty X to locate a store near you that sells Liberty codes, and then next they enter your Liberty codes to the app along with your Bitcoin address, and you will receive your Bitcoin immediately. All right, so if you connect a Facebook account to your Liberty X account, your first $1,000 of purchase are for free. Okay, your first $1,000 purchase using the Liberty, when you connect your Liberty X account to your X, to your Facebook, and make it a buy or sell, your first purchase is going to be free of charge fee. Okay, so that's it for Liberty X. So you can decide to choose any of these websites that I've listed out here to buy or sell your coin if you don't want to use the exchange. Okay, so here's the website. I'll be dropping the link right at the video description. So the good side about it is that it is easy and it is fast way to buy Bitcoin with cash, and the fees are often very low, and especially when you are buying from the store, the rate also is always very low as well. Okay, and the daily 1,000 limit is fairly high for a convenient service. Okay, so the downside about it is that participating in stores and their own have fees enabled in it, and verifications are also required for if you want to, for those that want to transfer high money. You need to do your verifications, transfer higher amount. Okay, so the next one is Bitcoin ATM, and the Bitcoin ATM, you can use Bitcoin ATM maps to buy Bitcoin with cash, and Bitcoin ATM can be a quick and easy way to buy Bitcoins, and they are also private. Okay, they are also very private, and the privacy that comes with it is very, 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 very high. And most ATMs, the only downside is that most ATMs have a fee that are a bit higher. That's just the only downside about it. Okay, so the good side about it is that the maps make it easy to find and locate Bitcoin ATMs near you, and you can use the map. I'll be dropping the map, the site, to the website, and if you access this website, you can get access to the map. And those maps, when you click on each of those websites, there is a section for map where you can map any Bitcoin ATM cash right in the US. If you are living in the US, you can use, if you are making use of this website, just go to where you see the available ATMs. Is a map where you can use to locate the available ATMs in your country. All right, that map will show you where some of those ATMs are right in your country for you to locate and go and make your withdrawals. All right, that's just one thing about this. So it's a website. It's a website that has all the embedded Bitcoin ATMs in UK and Europe for easy withdrawals. I hope that is clear enough. So the only good side, like I said, the only downside about it is that the fees when you are withdrawing from each of those ATM stores or ATM stand, the fees are often a bit higher, ranging from 5 to 10%. Okay, and the speed, the good side that it has a high speed, the privacy is very high, and it is easy to use. Okay, and the fees are high. The reputation score is very, very high. All right, so that is all you need to know about this 9 solid website that I have just listed out. Okay, so if you have any other question, leave them at the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.